Hey guys, 大家好. Today we are going to talk about tone changes in Taiwanese. In real speech, many words change from their original tone to another tone. You might wonder, why do we change the tone? Well, let's listen to phrases and think about which one sounds better. The first one is 我今仔日去公園散步. And the second one is 我今仔日去公園散步. Which one sounds better? I think you will probably choose the second one, right? I think it's one of the secrets that makes Taiwanese such a beautiful language. Here are the rules. You might notice that tone 5 has two different changes, and it changes depending on the region. Alright, let's get started. I will first say the original tones once, then I will say the words again with tone changes. Listen carefully. 一医生旅行四月色水册店往来往来两包日本活动